If you love coffee and ice cream, but you are following a keto diet, you may think that you have to give up your favorite dessert. However, you can still enjoy a creamy and refreshing treat with this keto coffee ice cream recipe. This recipe is low-carb, sugar-free, and gluten-free, and it only requires a few simple ingredients and a blender. You can make this ice cream in less than 10 minutes, and enjoy it as a snack or a dessert anytime you crave something sweet and satisfying. Here are the ingredients and the steps to make keto coffee ice cream. Ingredients: 2 cups of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of granulated erythritol or any keto-friendly sweetener of your choice, 2 teaspoons of instant coffee or espresso powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. Optional: whipped cream, chocolate shavings, or nuts for topping. Steps: in a small saucepan over medium-low heat, whisk together the heavy cream, erythritol, coffee, vanilla, and salt until well combined and slightly simmering. Do not boil the mixture, as it may curdle or separate. Transfer the mixture to a blender and blend on high speed for about 30 seconds, or until frothy and smooth. Pour the mixture into a shallow baking dish and freeze for about 4 hours, or until firm. Scoop the ice cream into bowls and enjoy with your favorite toppings, if desired. Tips: you can also use an ice cream maker to make this ice cream, if you have one. Just follow the manufacturer's instructions and churn the mixture until it reaches your desired consistency. You can adjust the sweetness and the coffee flavor of this ice cream according to your taste. You can also add other flavors, such as cinnamon, nutmeg, or cocoa powder, to make it more interesting. You can store this ice cream in an airtight container in the freezer for up to a month, but it may become harder and easier over time. To soften it, you can microwave it for a few seconds, or let it sit at room temperature for about 15 minutes before serving. This keto coffee ice cream recipe makes about 4 servings, each serving containing about 3 grams of net carbs, 38 grams of fat, and 2 grams of protein. It is a perfect dessert for anyone who loves coffee and ice cream, but wants to keep their carb intake low. Try this recipe today and enjoy a low-carb and delicious treat.